All right, everybody, are you ready to take on an adventure with me? So I used to race cars. I used to race Spec Miata, ITA, I've raced in Daytona, a lot of fun, but I've never done anything with racing simulators. So I decided I want to try it out, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to have a lot of fun because I've already put together all this. I got the least expensive chair you could find. I got this stuff from Best Buy. So this is all like the entry level stuff. And I can tell you, I'm already having a blast, like a million times better than the controller. As a matter of fact, like I bought Gran Turismo when it came out, and I stopped playing it because like with the controller, it's just, you lose interest. But man, this is a really cool experience. So we're gonna talk about it a little bit, and then I wanna hear what you guys recommend and what you guys think, because you guys are very knowledgeable, and then we'll go from there. All right. Before we show you this setup in action, look at this thing. It's pretty cool. It's got like an LCD display. It looks really nice, and the pedals are pretty cool looking too. All right, first off, the feedback on the steering wheel is awesome. Like, I am so blown away. Now you gotta think about it. I'm 40 years old, so I grew up playing at arcades, and I've had every single, console. And the evolution of like these wheels is crazy. Like I remember when I tried some like a long time ago, and they just felt so synthetic. This feels amazing. Now, as you can tell, I'm not really good quite yet. Who knows if I'll get good. It's the first time I'm playing on this track and with this car, but I just wanted to show you guys that like the feedback is really cool. Now this is the big name in, I guess, feedback, like steering wheels. I don't even know if that's like the right name for it. I'm like totally lost place, but I'm owning it because I suck. I'm new, right? But it's fun. So the feedback's good. Like it's not aggressive, or it really matches with the road. It's really well done. I'm not sure if it's just because it's this game, or it's another game would be the same way. But this is really good. Now, I made a video about this chair, really inexpensive. I gotta put a blanket down because my butt goes numb, but it works. And I'm pretty tall, I'm like 6 feet tall and I'm 200 pounds, so it's not a bad setup at all. All right, let's see if we, kind of reminds me of Daytona here, but I haven't raced on this track, so the pedals feel really good. Like you feel that there's a spring in there, but it's a good thing. Like it really has a nice feedback. All right, I think we're gonna brake here. But I mean, for what you get, this is an awesome experience. Like in real life, I've had a ton of cars, I've raced in real life, and this is just fun. Like I like that the throttle, like you could feather it. I like that, like the brake is variable. It's these small details that remind you that we're in 2025. And I'm glad that I'm not starting expensive because I suck so much. Like one thing we were researching last night, Elise and I, was like, do F1 drivers brake with their left foot? And they do. And on these sims, like I use my left foot for braking, and that's kind of new for me because I'm usually using my right foot on DCT cars. So it's like a whole new experience of driving. I'm not used to that at all. Like I said, I've never driven on this track before. Last place, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the experience of this actual steering wheel. It was like $300 and the chair was $200. And if this sucked, I would return it. Like, I'm like, nope, I'm not paying $500 if it sucks. But it doesn't. It doesn't suck at all. And as a matter of fact, it gets me excited because if the entry level stuff is this good, I can only imagine the the hardcore stuff, that it would be just incredible. These guys are gone. I don't even see anyone anymore. But yeah, guys, this is cool. I highly recommend it. It's really neat. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what's out there, your thoughts. But this is super cool. Thanks for watching, guys.